of every delivery to be able to win this match. I've got Raja besides me who architected some of this innings himself, and he's in tension because they need a runner, but we managed to keep you down for this interview.
It's become very, I mean, we need 30 runs, 60 runs.
60 runs of
30 balls, yeah. Apu is there, and Apu is a very, very good hitter. I mean, he when he connects, ball goes out of the park. Any good ball he can hit. So still we have a chance, it's gettable. 30 balls, 60 runs. I think Apu has to go.
Look, I mean, at this stage you might as well just go for it, because you know your position in the points table. It is still well enough, but this will just help solidify you towards that semi-finals, right?
Yeah, because see, it's become a very competitive game now. It's no more a celebrity kind of a thing. It's become very professional. Everybody wants to win. Every team wants to win. I mean, you have seen the results. I mean, so we have to win this and the next match.
I can just see tension is written all over your face, so it's very endearing to see that you're taking it so seriously.
Look at the crowd. I mean, we feel like we are in Pakistan right now.
But you're actors, you're used to the camera, the lights, the camera, the action. The crowd is getting to you.
This is something different. This is something very different. I mean, you need, when you face the cameras, you know if you are wrong, you can retake, or you can give the retake. But here, you get one chance.
Well, you know what, Raja, I hope that chance works for you. Thank you for taking out the time. I know tense moments, all the best.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
All right, back to you.
Thanks a lot, Raja. Definitely looking very tense. And he's banking on the left-hander, Purv. Once again, running, going for the second. That could be very tight. That could be very tight. Referred to the third umpire. The body language from the Bulldozers seems to be good.
Yeah, good effort by the fielder and the bowler. Good combination there. The sharp throw, one bounce into the hands of Sudhir, who was very well positioned to effect that run out. He's home. He's home. Good work there by Varun Badola. He really had to stretch himself to get inside the crease. He did that quite well. They've managed to get 2 of the first delivery in this over. And they need some big overs.
You know, Sabha, that's the big difference. Many a times a direct hit and the batsman would be going back to the heart of the pavilion. But now here, Sudhir has to collect the ball and then take the bails off. In the process, in the bargain, Badola just back in. That's the right call from third umpire. They're all happy because they know the importance of Varun Badola's wicket here. He's batted well. Scored Nelson for the loss of 3 wickets at this stage. Going for the big shot. Connects it. And what a strike. That's a maximum. That's exactly what the doctor ordered. And Apoor delivering it.
They're trying to make a match out of this. It is Apurva who connects so well. He times it so well. It soars. It sails for a maximum. Good throw for him. He's hefty. He muscles that one. They're delighted. They need some more of these big hits from Apurva. They also have Varun Badola from the other end. They need a couple of big overs even at this stage to make that turnaround. Belief, loads of self-belief. That is what is needed from the heroes.
Yeah, very rightly said. And as they always say, believe in the best and the best will come for you. You've got to believe that you can do it. Nothing is impossible. This is a game of cricket. Strange things can happen very quickly. 2 good overs from here and things will be very different in this game. Has got to bowl much fuller. That's going to be very important for someone like Sudhir. Bowling those length deliveries at this stage, the batsman is bound to go for them. Go for the big shots.
Yeah, That's a much better line from Sudhir, the previous delivery. He bowled that one, fastest one into the block hole. It's not easy to get the elevation from that point. So what can Varun Badola do? What is Sudhir thinking at this stage? He's given 9 runs from the first 3 deliveries. This can turn out to be an expensive over if they get some big hits here, the heroes. Where will he go, Badola, this time? There is a huge gap between long on and square leg. There is, yes, between long on and square leg. Bowled in! Oh, what a blow this is. Sudhir, he gets into the act once again. He has taken the all-important wicket of Varun Badola. They are 4 down, heroes, and their ship is sinking.
That's a very, very important wicket at this stage. Badola was looking good, much faster, not much flight. The ball is skidding and hitting the timber. He's delighted. Picking his second wicket here, Sudhir, and a very important one. Badola, the man out, batted well for his 50. He's 118 for 4. So the new man of the crease is the captain, Sabir Ahluwalia. He's got a task ahead of him. He's got to play some big shots. He's smiling at the moment, averaging just over 20 so far this season in the CCL. 41 runs in 4 matches, his best 25. He's got an impressive strike rate of over 132. Sudhir definitely is a clever customer. Knows exactly what to do in these conditions. That's good running. Coming back for the second.
There's something you can expect from Shabbir. He batted quite well in the last game against the Kerala Strikers up in Kochi. Now this is what happened. Varun trying to play Sudhir off the back foot, wasn't properly balanced. Sreesanth is here. He applauds. He's happy with the work done there by the bowler Sudhir. They will run hard, these two. They'll put pressure on the fielders. Hits it well. They run the first one hard. They are coming for the second. Oh, great work. Well done, Shabbir. Well done, Varun Rao. It's 122 for 4 after 16.